Welcome to Spring LIB.
We conduct a paired sample t-test to determine if the dog's lost weight after being put on the diet program. So first, let's state the hypotheses. The null hypothesis would be that the mean after would be greater than or equal to the mean before, and the alternative hypothesis would be that the mean after is less than the mean before. The claim is that the dog's lost weight. The critical values, since this would be a paired samples t-test, we need the critical t-values, and so alpha is set at 0.10. The degrees of freedom to be one less than are 6 pairs, which would be 5. And so our critical t, which would be left-tailed in this case, with 5 degrees of freedom at a significance of 0.1, would be, let's see, doesn't say what to round to. I'm just going to go 4 places. Negative 1.4759. And then we will compute the test value, which is the mean differences over the standard error of the differences, which the standard error of the differences would be the standard deviation of the differences over the square root of the pairs. So if we compute the mean, that's about 4.33. I'm going to do it actually the other direction, after minus before. So we would say it's negative 4.33. Since it's left-tailed, over the standard deviation of the differences. After minus before, that's 4.033 over the square root of 6. Is negative 2.632. That would be our test value, and now we'll make a decision. And since our test value is smaller than our critical, we would reject the null hypothesis. And to summarize the results, I'll just kind of state it. We would say that at the 0.10 level of significance, there is enough evidence to conclude that the dog's lost weight after being put on the diet program.